7 foods you're eating at the wrong time and you don't even realize it. Number 7. Cucumber. You're eating cucumber in your lunch salads during the day. When you do this, you lose its natural cooling benefits. Cucumber is 96% water. Instead, eat it between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. It lowers your body temperature and helps you sleep better at night. Number 6. Honey. You're adding honey to your morning tea thinking it's healthy. When you eat honey on an empty stomach in the morning, your body metabolizes it as pure sugar, spiking your glucose and causing a mid-morning crash. Instead, have 1 teaspoon with warm milk before bed. Number 5. Coffee. You're drinking coffee at 6 a.m. right after waking up. Here's the problem. Your cortisol is already at its peak between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Adding caffeine on top makes you jittery and anxious, and you crash by afternoon. Instead, drink coffee between 9:30 a.m. and 11:30 a.m., when cortisol naturally dips. Number 4. Milk. When you drink it in the morning, it slows your metabolism and makes you feel sluggish. Instead, drink warm milk at night. It contains tryptophan, which converts to melatonin in your brain. Number 3. Bananas. You're eating a banana on an empty stomach in the morning. The natural sugars spike your blood sugar rapidly. Within 2 hours, it crashes hard. You feel tired, irritable, and hungry again. Instead, eat bananas between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. with protein like nuts or yogurt. This prevents the crash and provides sustained energy. Number 2. Tomatoes. You're eating tomatoes for dinner after 7 p.m. Tomatoes are highly acidic with a pH of 4.5. When you lie down within 2 to 3 hours of eating them, the acid flows back up into your esophagus. This triggers heartburn and acid reflux. Instead, eat tomatoes before 7 p.m. for lunch. Number 1. Rice. This is the biggest mistake we Indians make. You're eating rice for dinner between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m. A 2020 study found that eating rice at 10 p.m. spikes your blood sugar 18% higher than eating it at 6 p.m. Because your insulin sensitivity drops as the evening progresses, and melatonin actually blocks insulin from working properly. When you eat rice late at night, your body can't process the carbohydrates sufficiently. This leads to elevated blood sugar, fat storage. Instead, eat rice for lunch between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. when insulin sensitivity peaks. Don't stop eating these foods. Just change when you eat them. And your blood sugar will stabilize, your sleep will improve, and your energy will stay steady. Comment yes if you found these videos helpful, and follow me for more wisdom from the Icelandic mountains.